This conference will now be recorded.
Hey all, I have created one trigger for validate the duplicate records. If you see, I'm putting something like this, like test and save, it will create it. But if again I'm putting like test, test, test and save, it should be showing the trigger validation error. Should showing like is associated with the current account. This team member is associated with the current account. So, but the major problem I notice here, it's not working for Blockify. Suppose I'm just writing some SQL queries here. In this SQL queries, I'm putting like this, and the team member I'm putting like this, and here this number of records. If I'm going to delete this account and the name of the contact and the account, and I'm just going to delete, and here I'm just created one Excel sheet with using like account and contacts, the 10 records. I'm pushing these records through workbench, like I'm just selecting this file and putting like this account team member, and when I'm just clicking next, it should created all the 10 records. So just submitted it, it's created all the records. You can see it's created all the records, 9 records. If I'm refreshing this, it will be showing like all the records are created in this particular account. It's not checking any duplicate parts. If you go there, you can see all is created the same. So for that point, I need to change. I need to change the code. You can see all this code here, and all the records is coming like 10 records is becoming like this. So now I'm going to change my code uh, for Blockify point of view. Uh, I have already created one method here for duplicate one. So I'm going to create another method for Blockify point of view. So here, like I need to go to create a help. I have created one trigger here. On this trigger, I'm calling it as helper class. And in this helper class, I'm going to write the Blockify code like this static void check account contact for like duplicate record, duplicate record. I can paste like duplicate record Blockify this, and then I'll just say. Now I'm just copy this list. It's fine. Now I'm just create one map, like map for putting like unique values. So I'm just creating a map string, and this accounting, so that's fine. Or you can put like this anything. Not anything. You can just put like key and the values here. I'm putting like map or like account contact map. Here I'm just initializing this contact, sorry, map and string and account member. Just save it. And I'm just putting like one loop here for loop. For loop, I'm just checking. I'm just looping it here. Like accounting member, accounting member, accounting member, and I'm putting this accounting member list. So if like I'm just putting like I'll be check the condition here like this account contact key map dot contents key content contents key. So I'm creating a key like here like this accounting member uh, dot accounting member dot account key plus I'm just creating key like this uh, or I'm just creating this key here string account contact. I'm putting like this and I'm putting like this dot contact C. I'm creating a key here is account contact and combination of account contact. So I'm putting this here. If it is exists this content key, so will be showing like error like accounting member. I'm putting like error like this accounting member dot contact C dot add error. I'm just putting like this like this team member team member member already okay exist. Um, then I'm just putting like this. Yes, I'm putting like this accounting member or like contact account contact map dot put. I'm putting like key and this I'm putting like key here is the key created key and I'm putting the whole object here. Okay, and save it. Uh, let's create another set of variable like string of account set ID. Set set ID new set of string this. Then let's create another contact string ID like contact setup ID contact set ID new set string this. I'm just putting this two values here and input like unique contact or unique we're putting like unique account here. So I'm just putting copy this account dot contact C for unique account and for contact set. So I'm just copy this and paste here dot add. So I'm putting like unique contact all the unique contacts here. That's all is done. So if there is already exist few record is already exist in this account team member with condition like account set id and contact set id, we need to fetch all the account team member using this. If it is exist then will be show error, otherwise it will be work fine. So let's create like this for I'm just going to query all the like account or I'm just putting like team member team member, member, and I'm here putting like this query select. I'm facing like this account C, contact C, from account team member, yeah, where where will be check account C, account C, then account set ID and contact C uh, in contact set ID, like contact set ID will be look all check all the if check all the takers from the account team member with account set and contact set ID, and let's we have the map. So let's find here let's yeah, we have the map. So let's I'm just getting all the team members here for this map like this, and team member like team member detail, fine, equal to actually we already have a map. So I'm just getting the key, get the particular key to our data key. uh, for getting key we need to like put like this team member, or we can create like string of account contact key here also, or we can just put like this like account team member dot account, because we already define one key similar way, so we need to like this account, oh, sorry, account, let's create one variable here like account, account contact key, or you can put it like this, like team member dot this account C, getting this value plus I can put like this, the same things we done it previously, just copy this and here putting like contact C and save, then I just copy it and getting this value. Now you can put your condition here like this, contact C dot add, similarly putting this like contact team member already, team member, already. Save it. So there it is. So in count variable does not exist, line number 14. Okay, I'll just enter this. Okay, so let's test it. Just copy it and put this in. I'm just committing this code. I'm just using my blockify one. So I'm just paste here, here, and I'm just using the blockify one. This code like this and save it. Let me delete all these records for testing point of view. Okay, so just say click, 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 click. I'm just going to delete all this one. Okay, it's deleted and there is no record. You can check. There's like record of zero, like count zero. Okay, just refresh it. Let's first create for single record for this accounting member. Yeah, I'm just creating like the test one. The same account and the contact is like test. Let's save it. It's created. Let's create another similar for test. Should be showing error like this. This team member already exists. You can see this reviewer request. It's showing like error. And let's delete this all records for testing this blockify point of view and just close it and create like it's created one record. So I'm just going to delete it. Okay. Now for testing this blockify, I'm just open this workbench. Now I'm just going to insert. I have already created this sheet like account and contacts. All are the same account ID and the contact ID. So I'm just close this. Okay. Now I'm just from select from files and select this account team. You can see account team. I'm just going to next, click next. You can see at this mapping point, I'm just map this fields. Now I'm just clicking at the process records asynchronously via block API. I'm just this confirm record. It should be created only one record and the 8 hours should be showing errors. You can see 8 records are failed and one record is completed. That's the one record. So if you go here and like refresh this and you are just going here and refresh, it should be like one record and it should be like one record. You can see there's only one records. Yeah. If I am again pushing like records like insert this all set, it should be showing you all it should be showing all errors like next and this map is process it's showing like it's processing. Okay, it's processing. You can see 9 records are failed. Yeah, it's fine. Thank you for your time. I'm just closing this.